Yummy. It's a cookie. Want a bite? What was I thinking? So I wanted to go ahead and show you how to drill your own holes through, they're called slab doors when they come and they don't have a hole in it or it doesn't have a jamb. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. It's not really difficult, but one thing that will help is having a jig to use. The jig that I use is by Irwin. It's not the best quality, it's plastic, so it's starting to get a little bit chewed up on it. But for the few times that I actually do have to drill holes for the doorknobs, it's fine for me.
Grab these few tools before we get started.
I almost forgot. Make sure that you have a pair of safety glasses, just in case any wood chips go flying.
Measure the height of the doorknobs on other doors in your house. Transfer this measurement onto your slab door. Be sure to select the back set for your doorknobs on the jig before you begin. Locate the latch faceplate screws with your doorknob. Use these screws to secure the whole jig to your door. Grab your drill and insert the 2 1/8 inch hole saw into the drill. I had to get creative to support my door since we hadn't installed the stop yet. Apply firm pressure as you drill the hole into the door, making sure the hole saw is flat and not angled as you go through the door. Once the center bit protrudes through the door, stop and move to the opposite side of the door. Continue drilling your hole through this side until drilling completely through the door. Find the 1 inch hole saw and insert it into your drill. Drill through the edge of your door to create the hole for the latch. Use the same firm pressure and make sure to drill perfectly perpendicular to the door edge. Sweep out any sawdust in your doorknob holes. Remove your faceplate screws from the jig and set them down nearby. Remove the jig. Now attach the faceplate to the door using the same screws you used on the jig. Using your utility knife, carefully score a line around the faceplate. Remove the faceplate. Using your hammer and chisel, chisel out the material inside the marks you made. Now you're ready to add your doorknobs and latch assembly. I have another video showing you how to install doorknobs in 5 minutes or less. Just click on that little link up there in the corner, or I'll leave a link below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you'll get more DIY tutorial notifications.
It looks pretty though. Maybe I'll turn into something. An earring? A necklace? I don't know. What do you think?
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.